a place for and science. Yes, students, you all know that in the last class we were discussing the chapter polynomials, right? And particularly we focused on problems on remainder theorem. Then we got the information about another theorem. Which is the theorem? Yes, you are right. Manya is telling it is factor theorem. Lakshmi Sri is thinking something else. It is factor theorem. Just go for recalling the statement of both. Afterwards, I'll go for continuing today's class. Yes, first one is remainder theorem. According to remainder theorem, let P of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Let A be any real number. If P of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is, it is P of a. So this is remainder theorem. I have written it in short form. Similarly, if we come across another important theorem, this is factor theorem. According to factor theorem, the statement is like this. It is, let P of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Here also, we will go for taking A as any real number and dividing P of x by the linear polynomial x minus a. The remainder becomes 0. Then you can say that x minus a is a factor of P of x. If x minus a is a factor of P of x, then the remainder is 0. Right? This was the statement of factor theorem. So these two were over, but we had completed the problems on remainder theorem. Now we have to focus on factor theorem. Before that, I think I had given you the assignment as well. Right? Hope you have done exercise questions. Have you all done? Your faces are telling that not. Okay. Anyhow, so before going to that exercise, just I'll go for discussing two important questions which I had given in yesterday's worksheet. That is, one is finding the values of A and B, and another one is the remainder with respect to the polynomials is same. So these are the two questions. After solving these, then we will focus on exercise. Prashant sir? Prashant sir? Prashant sir, can you hear me? Okay. Anyhow, just once you copy in your notebook, I think it is 5th one.
Yes, sir.
Sir, unmute your audio.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Is it 5th one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Copy that in your notebook only. Right. The polynomials.
Sir, it is 6th one, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Six
sixth
on,
one,
sir.
sir.
Right. The polynomials ax cube plus 3x square minus 13 and 2x cube minus 5x plus a are divided by x minus 2 Full stop. The remainder in each case, the remainder in each case is the same, is the same. Full stop. Find the value of A. Find
Sir, answer is
value
1.
of A.
Sir, A is equal to 1.
A equal to 1. I had given, no? Have you solved?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Look at it. Listen to me carefully, and whenever I start writing, you should also copy it. Till then, please don't go for writing anything. Arvind B. Dodagowda, let your concentration be here. Look here. Here they are given two polynomials. This is the first polynomial and the second polynomial. So both the polynomials are divided by the same divisor. This is
X minus 2.
2. Then could you tell how many remainders you will get? One remainder or two remainders?
Two, sir.
2
2,
remainder.
sir. 2 reminders.
Enough. Because there are two polynomials. Both are to be divided by x minus 2. Hence you will get two remainders. Let us call first one as R1, second one as R2.
R2.
There is a condition. Look here. The remainders in each case is the same, which means that first remainder is equal to
R1 is equal to
second
R2.
remainder.
Using this statement, we should find out the value of A. So now let's go for finding the remainders one by one. You must start writing with me. If you start writing with me, it is first I'll go for taking the divisor.
X minus 2 is equal to 0.
X minus 2. Find out its 0. It is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 2. Next, I take the first polynomial as f of x. F of x is equal to ax cube plus 3x square minus 13.
Sir, not in stat.
Substitute 2 in place of x. Here, f of 2 is equal to a into 2 whole cube plus 3 into 2 whole square minus 30. This is equal to now
80.
simplify. Here 2 cube is 8.
8
into
plus 12 minus 13.
1 minute. Please don't go for telling your answer. Whenever I ask you the question, then only. Because if you keep on answering, only your video can be seen by other students, not the board. It is 8a plus 2 square is 4, 4 place of 12, then minus 30. And here I am continuing. This is equal to 8a plus 12 minus 13. How much it is?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
This is f of 2. You can take this, the value of f of 2 as first remainder. Call it as R1. So R1 is equal to 8a minus 1. Could you tell on what basis you have written R1?
By remainder.
By remainder theorem.
By remainder theorem. By remainder theorem. Similarly, you can find out second remainder by dividing second polynomial from the same divisor. So I take the second polynomial as p of x. P of x is equal to, it is 2x cube minus 5x plus a. Now substitute again 2 in place of x. So this is p of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 whole cube minus 5 into where x is 2 plus A.
2, 8.
Now this is equal. Let's go for simplifying each term.
16.
2 cube is
6.
8.
16 by 10 plus A.
Repeatedly, I have been telling, whenever I ask you the question, in that time only, please go for responding. Here, 2 cube is 8 and 8 twos are 16 minus 5 twos are 10 plus 8. Now you tell, what is 16 minus 10?
6,
6 plus A.
6 minus 8.
8. This is the
R2 is
value
equal to
of
6 plus A.
P of 2. Now, could we take P of 2 as R2?
Yes, sir, by remainder theorem.
What is the reason?
8A minus 1.
By remainder theorem.
By remainder theorem.
Reminder.
By remainder theorem.
I've been asking you what is the reason. You are telling that 6 plus 8.
By remainder theorem.
By remainder theorem.
By
Remainder theorem.
R2 equal to 6 plus A. Highlight that with a box and write the reason by remainder theorem. Next, they have given the statement that the remainder in each case is same according to given statement.
Condition.
First remainder is equal to second remainder because remainders are equal.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let me go for substituting where R1 is
8A minus 1.
minus 1. This is
Minus
equal.
1.
R2 is
6 minus 8.
Transfer A to the left hand side. It becomes minus A.
Minus A.
Minus A. It is
7A
7.
minus
7A.
7
Transpose 1 to
is equal to 7.
Wait. Amol.
7 by 8 is equal to 7 by 7.
Prithvi and Amol. I think both of you are competing. Whose video will come? Whose video will come? 7. This is equal. Transfer minus 1 to the right hand side. It becomes plus 1. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. Prithvi, now you tell what is the value of A? Now he is quiet.
1.
1.
1, sir.
1. Yes.
7
By 7.
7
This
by
will be
7.
1.
1.
Sir,
Yes.
for me, the screen is very black, sir.
Very black. How black? Dark black, light black. Huh? Wait. I think Prashant sir is hearing that. He'll solve your problem.
It is your network problem. It is your network problem.
Now we are moving to another problem. Yes. We are moving to the next one. Right. 7th one. 7th one is very nice and is also interesting. Not only that, this was given in the board examination as well. The same problem. So I have collected this question from 2012 CBSE board exam paper. Right.
Raju sir. Raju sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, once you leave the meeting and rejoin, sir.
ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲ್ಯಾಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Prashant sir.
Now start, sir.
Is it okay, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Now we are moving to 7th one. Yes. Right with me. Disha GP, what are you doing? Disha. Right. 7th one. This is if f of x is equal to
Sir should put double star.
okay. Right. You may put double star. If f of x is equal to x raised to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus b is a polynomial. Polynomial such that when it is divided by x minus 1 and x plus 1, the remainders are respectively respectively 5 and 19. 5 and 19. First of all, determine the values of n is 5. Determine the values of a and b. Hope you copied.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sanjana,
Sir.
have you copied? Sanjana Ji. Yes. Prajwal. SM. Okay. Shifalia. Okay, right. Observe. Look here. First, let me tell you the meaning of this. They have given one polynomial, and the same polynomial is to be divided by two other polynomials. That is, one is x minus 1 and another one is x plus 1. These are divisors. Then you will get two remainders, right? And those two remainders are 5 and 19, which means that when you divide the polynomial by the first divisor x minus 1, you will get a remainder 5.
5.
And when you divide same polynomial by the second divisor, you will get the remainder 19. Then after finding the remainder, you will get two equations. And those two equations contain both a and b. By solving those two equations, you can find out the values of a and b. Did you understand? You just compare with the previous problem. In the previous problem, two polynomials were given and we divided both by one divisor. But here, two divisors are given, and from these two, we will go for dividing only one polynomial. Did you understand? Okay. Akash P.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Sarthak. Sanvi.
Sir, by remainder theorem, we should
Yes.
substitute
Let's go
by
for
5 and
finding
19.
the remainder. Right way. Please start writing with me. I take the first divisor. It is x minus 1. Find out its 0. It will be
Plus 1.
Have you got same?
Yes, sir.
Now take the given polynomial. Let the given polynomial is to be assumed as P of x, which is equal to, right, x raised to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus b. Now you may substitute 1 in place of x, right here. P of 1 is equal to 1 whole raised to the power 4 minus 2 into 1 whole cube plus 3 into 1 whole square minus a into 1 plus b. Now let us go for simplifying each term.
1 minus 2.
Maggie, please go on writing with me. Here 1 raised to the power 4 is 1 only.
1
Next 1 cube is 1. 1 into 2 is 2.
minus
Here is
2.
minus sign and write minus sign as it is, then 2.
3.
Next 1 square is 1. 1 3 is
3.
3. Minus a into 1 is minus, then plus b. Now this is equal to, see that 3 plus 1 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus a plus b. This is the value of P of 1. Hello?
Sir, f of 1, sir. Can they give f of 1?
P of 1.
By remainder theorem.
P of 1 is the first remainder. What is the first remainder?
5.
5.
5.
So I'll write here. R, I take P of 1 as R1, first remainder. This is equal to 2a, 2 minus a plus b. Where first remainder is 5, I'm writing it. 5 is
5.
equal to 2 minus a plus b. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Amit, any doubt? Aniket, any doubt? No doubt. Okay. Now, I just observe, Amit, look at the book. Now, I'm going to write the algebraic terms and constants separately. See that here minus a plus b is there. Let's go for taking them on the left hand side. Minus a becomes plus a, plus b becomes minus b. This is equal to constants. Here is 2 as it is. Transfer 5 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 5.
Minus 7.
What is 2 minus 5?
5.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
You may call it as equation 1. Got it? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
Manasa?
sir.
Manasa? Any doubt? No doubt. Rutushri?
Sir.
No doubt. Prashast?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No or not? Okay, fine. Next, let's go for taking the second divisor. In the second divisor, it is x plus 1. This is equal to 0 because we are finding the 0. X is equal to, transfer 1 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 1. And we know that second remainder is 19. Because on the right side is R2 is equal to 19. If so, here R1 is 5. Now you write. P of x is already written. So we are
Yes,
going
sir.
to find P of minus 1. Write it directly. Substitute minus 1 in place of x.
Yes, sir.
It is minus 1 whole raised to the power 4 minus 2 into minus 1 whole raised to the power 3 plus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus a into minus 1 then plus it is equal to what is the value of minus 1 whole raised to the power
1.
4
One.
One.
One, sir. One.
as the
One.
power is even it will be positive only it is plus 1
Plus
minus 1
2.
whole
Plus 2.
Plus 2,
Plus
sir.
two.
Plus 2. Plus
Plus
2. Plus 2, sir.
minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 because
Minus
power
one.
is odd. Minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. Here minus 1 whole
Minus
square is it is plus
Minus
1
Minus 3.
Plus 3.
not minus 3
3.
into 3.
Plus 3.
Once I remind you, just also minus 1 whole square is plus 1 into 3 is plus 3. Next,
Yes, sir.
minus 3 into minus 1.
Plus
Here
A.
minus
Plus
A.
A.
Plus A.
A into 1.
Plus B.
Okay, just you may write it as A. Then plus B. And this is equal. Add them.
6 plus A plus B.
6 plus A.
6
6
plus
plus
A
A.
plus B.
Plus A plus
Plus
B.
B.
Can we call it as
R2.
R2?
Remainder.
R2.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Remainder theorem.
R2 is equal to 6 plus A plus B. It is because of
By remainder theorem.
By remind.
remainder theorem. We know that R2 is 19. They only have given. I'll write it. 19 is equal to 6 plus A plus B. Let me transfer to the left hand side. It becomes minus 6.
19 minus
13.
13.
30 is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to A plus B. I call it as equation 2. We got two equations. The first equation is A minus B equal to minus 3. Second equation is A plus B equal to 30. Let us go for solving. This problem, these equations, they are like finding the values of m and n, which I had given in worksheets, previous worksheets. Do you remember?
Yes,
And it
sir.
is also like finding the values of alpha and beta. That was also given in previous worksheets. Here, let's go for solving.
Sir, linear pair, sir.
Pardon me?
Sir, linear pair.
Very
Linear.
good. Like linear pair.
Sir, what is the meaning of linear pair?
Hmm? Let me write both the equations. Put imply symbol and write. The first equation is A minus B is equal to minus. Second equation is this is A plus B, which is equal to 13.
Sir, we have to change signs.
Could you tell which one of the variable can be cancelled? A or B?
A,
Sir,
sir.
B.
B, sir.
Sir, B. B, sir.
Minus
B.
B plus
B.
B get cancelled.
No, sir, we
Sir,
should
B
change
can
the
be
sign.
cancelled.
A will be cancelled.
A, sir.
A,
B, sir.
A, sir.
Cancel, sir, because
B,
sign
sir.
will get changed.
minus.
A, sir.
B, sir.
B
will.
Anyone can be done.
Students have decided to go for quarreling. Huh?
Sir, minus
Go
B
for
plus B
quarreling.
get cancelled,
Just
sir.
observe it.
Sir, A.
In hope that you can understand English.
Sir, we should change the sign, sir.
Okay, stop your response and just listen. Here we have minus b and plus b. So both can be cancelled. B can be cancelled. If you want to cancel A, then you should change the sign. If you change the sign, then only you can cancel A. No need. Directly, we have opposite sign with the same term. We can cancel. Then what is A plus A?
2A.
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 Minus 3 plus 13 is, it is 10. Then A is equal to 10 by 2 is nothing but 5.
5, sir.
B is equal to 8. B is equal
A equal to 5. Let's go for finding B value. To get B value, A value should be substituted in any one of the two equations.
P of X or P of 1.
I go for using second equation.
Yes, sir.
Right.
B is 8.
Substitute A equal to 5 in equation 2. Write with me. Where equation 2 is A plus B, which is equal to 30. A is 5 plus B is equal to 30. Solve B by transferring 5 to the right hand side.
Minus
Because
5.
Minus
8.
13 minus
8, sir.
30. It is 8.
B is equal to 8.
8.
The
Right?
screen is not visible.
A equal to 5 and B is equal to 8.
The screen is not visible.
Sir, how 10 came, sir?
Here, minus 3 plus 13. Or 13
Screen
minus
is visible.
13.
Screen is visible. Screen is visible. It is your network issue.
Okay, sir.
So during the explanation, don't talk. After completing explanation, you can talk. If you repeat it again, I will take a serious action on you. Sir, you can continue, sir. Sorry.
Okay, right. Yes, students, these are the two most important types of problems. Please do practice. And one more information for you all, that is, whatever we teach in the morning, it should be worked out on the same day itself. Don't keep it as pending. And of course, you may not get a very good amount of time for solving each and everything because of your even school online also. But what best thing I can suggest you is just to go for glancing whatever we cover. And wherever I have asked you to mark the important one by putting star marks. Work out those problems at least 3 times. At least 3 times. So then you will be perfect in solving the problems. Because I've been noticing some students that they'll go for writing the answers directly in the worksheets. First you have to work out, then you attend worksheet questions. It will be easier. Hope that you will follow. You must follow. It is because of your sake only, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Enough. Okay. Now we shall focus on exercise 2.3. I got this one. So we shall finish exercise 2.3 quick as possible. And afterwards we'll move on to problems of factor theory. Right. Exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. That first one. Find the remainder. Find the remainder. When x cube, in the polynomial x cube, 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by first one. First you write all the sub questions. First one is x plus 1. Second one is x minus 1 by 2. Third one is x. Fourth one is x plus 5. Fifth one is 5 plus 2x. And sixth one is 7 minus 4x. These are the 6 sub questions.
Sir,
Now-
first
One is not there, sir.
Huh?
Sixth one is not there in textbook.
One is not there. Then how did I write? Can you guess?
Is not there,
Your
sir.
own
additional problem.
Additional
Reference book.
Sir, first one is 0, sir.
Wait. In all these, we have only positive sign. Positive coefficient for x. But in this problem, I have taken the divisor in which the coefficient of x is negative. That's why just I have included. Write with me. Start writing with me. Let's move on to first one. Here for first one, x plus 1 is the divisor, right? So find out its 0. X
1.
plus 1 is equal
Minus 1.
to x equal to minus 1. Hope you have got the same.
Yes, sir.
Let us write p of x. Let p of x is equal to, write this, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now you may substitute minus 1 in place of x. Right. P of minus 1 is equal to, it is x cube is there, so minus 1 whole cube. 3x square is there, where x is minus 1, right, whole square, plus 3 into minus 1, then plus 1, which is equal to, where minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, minus 1 whole square is plus 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, then plus 1. 3 minus 3 get
Sir,
cancelled.
minus 1 also.
Minus
plus
1
also
minus
get
plus
cancelled.
1 get cancelled.
Get cancelled. You get
And
0.
sir.
I take this 0 as remainder. On what basis?
By remainder.
By
Yes,
remainder theorem.
remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. Highlight that with the box. Therefore, the remainder is 0. Next, let's move on to second one, quick as possible. Here we have the polynomial x.
27 by
What
8.
is it? 0.
27 by 8,
Second
sir.
one
And
is x minus 1 by 2, sir.
27 by 8.
27 by 8, sir.
X minus 1 by 2. Equate this to 0. Then x is equal to 1 by 2. Then I'm not going to write this polynomial again. Directly I'll go for taking substitution. Because we have already written it once. Right. P of 1 by 2, which is equal to x cube is there. So this is 1 by 2 whole plus 3x square. 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3x. 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Next, continue. Your first term. Apply cube to both the term. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8.
8.
Plus, here 1 cube is 1 and 2 square is 4. It is 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
2, 3. This will be 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
If doubt is there, please ask me. If no doubt, just I'll go for continuing this.
O plus 1.
This is 3 ones are 3. By 2 as it is 3 by 2.
We should
Then
take LCM, sir.
1. It is equal to. Now take the LCM of the denominator. We have to simplify this. So for simplifying, I'll take the LCM of the denominator. Amulya CK, could you tell what is the LCM?
8, sir.
8.
CK.
8.
8.
LCM is 8, sir.
LCM of 8, 4, 2 and 1 is 8. If you do not know, you can go for using working column. See, in working column, you may write all the denominators. Like it is 8, 4 is there, then 2 is there, and 1. Then all these numbers are divisible by 2. So start dividing by 2. 2, 4s are
4s,
2,
2s,
2s are, then 1s are 1 as it is. Next, these numbers are divided by again 2. 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 1s are 1 as it is. Further division is not possible, so that just multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 1s are 8. LCM is 8. Multiply LCM with each term. 8 here. 8 into 1 by 8. 8 8 cancel 1.
Plus 6.
1 plus 6, sir.
Plus 6.
Plus 6.
Second term. 4
Plus
1
6.
4 2 2 3 are
Plus 6, sir.
12.
Plus 12.
Plus 12.
Plus 12.
Plus 12 plus 1.
12.
Observe. Multiply 8 with third term. Here 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 3s are. It will be 12.
Plus 8.
8.
Plus 8.
Plus 8.
Don't tell, I'll ask you.
Yes.
Here, multiply LCM 8 with the last term. 8 1s are 8. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
This is equal to. Let me write LCM as it is.
27 by 8.
27.
Very good. On adding all the terms in the numerator, you get 27.
27.
So remainder will be 27 by 8. I'll write it directly as R according to remainder theorem. Now you may write the conclusion. Therefore, Shreyas Colombe, have you completed? Or now you have started writing?
Yes, sir.
Completed,
No, sir.
huh?
Next, I'm doing next floor.
Okay, okay. Therefore, the remainder is 27 by 8. Now, let's go on to third one. Right, quick as possible.
1, sir. Answer.
1.
Yes, sir. 1.
Yes, yes.
Remainder is 1, sir.
Okay, okay, right. Third one, just x is there. You want to find out its 0. It should be equated to 0. So x value is 0. Now you may find out p of 0, which means by substituting 0 in place of x, you should find out the value of this polynomial. Very simple. You know, listen.
Our answer is 1.
Sorry. So yes, just look at the one. Here, 0 is there in place of x. We know that 0 into any number is 0 itself. Here, see, when you substitute 0 in place of x, first term is 0, second term becomes 0, third term becomes 0. At last, you get 1. Hence, the value will be 1. It's simple to understand also. Right. P of 0 is equal to 0 whole cube plus 3 into 0 whole square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. Now this is 0, 0, 0 plus 1 is just 1 more, which is remainder r equal to 1. Right, by remainder theorem. remainder theorem. You may write the conclusion. Therefore, the remainder is 1. Next. Now we shall go for taking fourth sub question.
Sir, answer is minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1.
Correct. Absolutely, it is right. Now, go for writing with me. It is fourth one. The divisor is, this is x plus pi. They have not given the value of pi. Hence, you have to write the pi as it is. Right. X plus pi is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus pi, because we will transfer pi to the right hand side. Next.
You have to not write 22 by 7, sir.
Pardon me?
Sir, instead of pi, we can write 22 by 7, no, sir, pi value.
Don't write, because they have not given the value. If it is given, then only you substitute. Or else, write pi as it is. Yes. P of minus pi is minus pi whole cube and plus 3x square is there here, plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3x. So plus 3 into minus pi, then plus 1 as it is. It is equal to minus pi cube. Next, here minus pi whole square is plus pi. Pi into 3 is 3 pi. It is 3 pi square. Then this is minus 3 pi plus 1. Further simplification is not possible.
Sir, cancellation.
Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
R equal to minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. It is by remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. You may write the conclusion. Therefore, the remainder is minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Ekta, did you understand? Shreya D. Okay. Salik.
Yes, sir.
Right. Giridhar.
Sir, explain last step, sir.
Okay. I'll tell them. Yagna, have you understood? Dhanush, understood or not? Okay, right. Ahi, right. Madan HP, understood? Okay. Prithvi, can you hear me? Where are you going? Okay. Last one student was asking to explain the last step. I'm sorry. Here minus pi whole cube is there. As the power is odd, so minus will be as it is. Then pi cube. Next here minus pi whole square. Minus here power is given. Therefore, it becomes positive. So pi square only. Pi square into 3 pi square. And plus into minus, 3 pi plus 1. That's all. Now we are moving to fifth one. And please put double star mark for this. Fifth one.
Sir, answer minus 27 by 8.
Is he null page?
No, sir.
Who is this?
Chetan.
Huh?
Chetan, sir.
Say it properly. Tell your name once.
Chetan, sir.
Chetan SR. Okay, very good. Already tried. The fifth one is the divisor. It is 5
X is
plus
equal to
2.
5 by 2.
Okay. We are going to find out the 0. Therefore, equate this to 0. We want x value. Write 2x as it is. Now transfer 5 to the right hand. It becomes minus 5. Then x is equal to minus 5 by 2. This is the 0 of the given polynomial. Next, let us go for finding the value of p of minus 5 by 2. To find out the value, Maker DB, would you tell how do you go for finding the value of p of minus 5 by 2?
Sir, we should take minus 5 by 2 to the power of 3 plus
No.
3.
You are going for the full statement. You can tell in a simplest way like this. You can find out this value by substituting minus 5 by 2 in the given polynomial, right?
Yes.
It should be substituted in the place of x in the given polynomial. Yes, right. First term is x cube, so it will be minus 5 by 2 whole cube. Then plus. Second term is 3x square, so 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole square. Third term is 3x, so plus 3 into minus 5 by 2. Then plus 1 as it is. It is equal to. Yes, Daksh, you can apply cube to both the terms. What is minus 5?
Minus 125
By
Minus
8.
125 by
by 8.
8. Then 3 into, tell that second term.
75 minus 75 by 2 by 8.
5 by 4.
25 by
25 by 4, sir.
4, sir.
I've given chance to particular student. Let them tell. Just
4.
continue. It is 4 because minus 5 whole square is 25 plus 25. 2 square is 4. Next, further.
Minus 15 by 2.
Minus 15 by 2. Plus
Plus
1 as. Okay, carry on.
Minus 25 by 8. Plus
Minus
75
125 by 8
plus 75 by 4.
plus 75 by 4.
Minus 15 by 2 plus 1.
Yes, enough. Enough. Let me write that here. I'm continuing that here. So now you have to take LCM.
4 is the LCM.
Wait. Ananya SN. What is the LCM of the denominator?
8, sir.
8 is the LCM. Very good. Then what about the first term? Multiply LCM with first term.
Minus
Minus
125
Very good. Minus 125. And
plus 75
very good. Huh? Multiply.
Plus 150.
150, sir.
Wait, she will tell. Second term ಗೆ LCM multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ here 4 ones are 4 twos are 75 twos how much? Ananya, are you following?
150.
Ananya,
150. 150.
it
150,
will
sir.
be 150. Next, multiply LCM with the third term.
Minus 650.
Minus 60.
Wait.
Sir, answer is minus 35 by 8.
Wait. Third term is minus 15 by 2. LCM is 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are. 15 fours are 60. So minus 60. Then Last term. Multiply LCM with the last term.
Plus 8.
8, sir.
8 plus 8. Next. It is equal to. Observe how simple it is. Minus 125 plus 150.
25.
25.
Minus 52.
Plus 8. It is minus 52.
Why?
Have you got paid?
Yes, sir.
Divided by 8. What is 25 minus 52?
27.
Minus
27, sir.
27 by 8.
Minus 27.
27.
Neglect the sign. Minus 27 by 8. This is the value of P of 5 minus 5 by 2, which is nothing but remainder. By remainder theorem. Write the conclusion. Therefore, the remainder is minus 27 by 8. Abhinandan, have you copied?
No, sir. Copying.
Copying. Don't sing a song. The way you are responding is like that.
Sir, at what time will you send Google Forms?
Oh, that is your doubt, huh? Will be sent in the evening without fail. Definitely. Today it will be sent for both 9th and 10th. Tanish, have you copied? Be in the classroom. Where you are sitting, you have to feel that that is your classroom. Now we have one more.
Sir, you have written 2 times the, sir. Therefore,
Oh,
Sir,
Sir, their network problem is there.
one more is there. Let's go for solve.
sir, network problems.
Namrata, Amrita, Sanjana ji, copied. Dhanush, have you copied? Okay. Just one information. Wait. As one student said that I had written the word the 2 times, right? What do you call this the or the in English? What it is called?
Definite article.
It is one of the article, right? There are 3 articles in English. What are those?
A and the.
and
the.
and the
A and
the
or the.
The sir.
Okay. We're using in both the way, but there is a reason.
Both, sir.
There is a reason where we have to use the and where we have to use the. Okay, just listen to me. Here A and the. These are the 3 articles used in English. Among these 3, the first 2 are called indefinite articles.
indefinite.
Sir, now
Whereas
English.
the is called the definite article. As I said, there is a reason for pronouncing THA as either the or the. You try to find out the reason for this. Tomorrow,
I know,
tell you, you do not. It is just a small assignment for you.
Sir, I know that.
Sir,
Try to find out.
Sir, I know, sir.
Listen to me. You have read many sentences where we use THE. Even in your lower classes, you just recall that one sentence, whether it is the elephant or the elephant. Okay.
The elephant.
Don't try to find the answer for that.
Sir, in mobile print, we
So
use
before articles we will call the.
No, now we are moving to the last one, right? Sixth one. Sixth one. Even this is also important one. Please put double star mark.
X is equals to 7/4.
7/4.
10/4.
Sir, answer is
Minus 7/4.
1261/64.
Let's go connecting with me. The given divisor is 7 minus 4x. It should be equated to 0 because we are going to find out it's 0. It is. We want the value of x. Let me write minus 4x as this. Transfer 7 to the right hand side. It becomes
-7.
minus 7.
X is equal to 7/4.
Wait.
Sir, answer is 1331.
Don't tell. I'll ask you. Afraid, you tell. How do you go for solving x? Afraid, Malika.
Yes, sir.
How do you go for solving x in this statement?
Transfer the -4 into the denominator.
Here, minus and minus get cancelled. Then transpose
X equals
4 to the denominator.
X equals
X is equal to 7/4. This is the 0. Now let us go for substituting this x value in the polynomial. Here, I'll write. So P of 7/4. First term is x cube. So 7/4 whole cube plus second term is 3x square. 3 into 7/4 whole square plus 3x 3 into 7/4. Next plus 1. It is equal. Nobody should go for telling the answer. Just I'll give the chance to some students. Dhanush, apply Q to both numerator and denominator and tell the value. Dhanush, what is
Shall
the
I
value of 7 cube?
21/4. 21/12.
243/64.
Keep it 7.
340.
Sir, multiply 7 into 3, sir.
343/64.
343 by
64.
I've given chance to Dhanush. Let him tell. Yeah, 7 cube. Dhanush, observe. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are
343.
340. Now, here 4 cube. 4 cube is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4.
64, sir.
64.
64.
64.
Yes, students, just listen to me carefully. Do you know your name yourself?
Yes, sir.
Whenever I call your name, then only you respond. When I call somebody's name, then why do you go for responding? Yes. Now, Samarth, you tell. 3 into, apply square to both numerator and denominator.
49/16.
What is 7 square?
49/16.
Very good. 49 by 4 square.
16.
60 plus. Now just let us go for multiplying. 3 sevens are 21, then by 4 plus 1 as it is. Next, 343 by 64 as it is. Yes. Shreya, Multiply 49 and 3.
Sir, 147 by 16.
Very good. 147 by 16. Then plus 21 by 4 plus 1. Shreya, you only tell. What is the LCM of the denominator?
64, sir.
Very good. It is 64. Then first term.
343.
Very good. 343. Second term should be multiplied.
588. 588.
588, sir.
Oh, you are right. Next, right. Second term is 147 by 16, and you have to multiply the LCM. 16 ones are 16 fours are 147 fours are. It is RS 150 fours are 154. How much it will? 600. 600 minus 12. It will be 588. Or else your first and second standard method. Our 4 sevens are 28. 2. 4 fours are 16. Plus 2. 18. Carry 1. 4 ones are 4. Plus 1. 5. Plus 5. 88. Plus
336.
336.
336.
366.
336.
330.
21.
21 by 4 into 64. 4 how much is 64?
14.
16, sir.
16.
16.
16 are 21 into 60.
366.
61 are
366.
carry 1. 16 twos are 32 plus 1.
336, sir.
336. Have you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Plus 64.
1031.
1331 by
1300.
1 minute, observe here. Yes, 336 and 64. How much?
400. 400.
Plus. Add these two.
931.
930.
931.
931 by 64. How much?
1331.
1331.
1.
1331 by 64. This is R. Dear students, just stop writing and observe the value. Gaurav, just observe the value. See, here we have 1331 and 64. By observing these two numbers, these two are really interesting numbers. You can recall a concept behind that. What do you say about by observing these two numbers, 1331 and 64?
Rational number.
So perfect cube, squares,
Perfect
perfect cubes,
Perfect cube.
perfect cubes.
Perfect cube.
8 cube.
If so, then as you are telling that 1331 is a perfect cube. It is the cube of which number?
11.
7, sir.
11. 64?
4.
4.
Then it can also be written as 11 by 4.
whole cube.
Whole cube.
Right. R is equal to 1331 by 64 by remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. Therefore, the remainder, I am not using D. The remainder is 1331 by 64. Written up. Now, first main questions are over.
Yes, sir.
We are moving to second main. Just write with me. Anyway. And you may put double star mark for this. No, it's simple now only. Right, second one. Find the remainder. Find the remainder. When x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Please don't go for solving. You should listen to. Just listen to. Tanesh, what a boy you are.
Sir, answer is 5A.
Wait, you don't tell. That's not 5 yet, just listen to and observe them. Dear students, by going through this sentence, that is find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x minus a, we can recall one English concept. You have learnt about active voice and passive voice, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to, wait. I'm going to underline the sentence. You should tell whether it is active or passive. Remainder when this is divided by x minus a. Whether it is
Passive
active
voice.
voice.
Passive
Or
voice.
Passive, sir, passive.
Passive, sir.
Passive, sir.
Active voice.
Passive voice.
enough.
Passive.
Passive voice.
Exactly, you are right. It is passive voice. The reason you can come to know that here we have the helping verb, nothing but auxiliary verb. It is be, and followed by
V3.
divided, whether this is present word or present verb, past or past participle.
Past
V3.
Participle.
V3.
Yes.
V3.
Okay. Yes. Polynomial is divided. Therefore, it is passive. I'm not giving detailed information. Just we can recall it. We are recalling English concept.
And by preposition is also there, sir.
Suppose I write like this: x minus a divides that x cube, that polynomial.
Active one.
Active voice.
Active voice.
Sir, answer is x square plus 6, sir.
Very good. See, as and when we are learning other subjects like maths, science, as well as social, here also you have to recall English grammar concept. The reason is English grammar never be changed. It will be forever. Even if we are not alive, then also, but it will be alive. Okay. Today, you just recall passive and active voice. Now let's go for finding. It is.
5A, sir, answer.
Let me write the divisor. It is x minus a is equal to 0. Now transfer minus a to the right hand side. It becomes plus a. Next, take the polynomial. Given polynomial is, it is x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Now substitute a in place of x. This will be p of a, which is equal to a whole cube minus a into whole square, a into a whole square plus 6 into a minus a. This is equal to, where a cube is, a whole cube is a cube, a square into a is a cube. Then 6a minus a. Minus a cube plus a cube get cancelled. Then this will be 6a minus a. This is 5a.
5A.
Which is remainder according to remainder theorem. Right. by remainder theorem. Write the conclusion. Therefore,
Sir,
the
why can't we substitute x in place of a?
A is to be taken as constant here, like 1, 2, 3, and so on. We are finding the zero of the polynomial, that is finding the value of variable x. So we got a, that's substituted in the place of x. Over.
Yes, sir.
Have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the next question.
Yes, sir.
I'll write the third question. Right. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cubed plus 7x. Dear students, please go through the statement only. Don't go for solving it. Have you gone through the statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
If so, Namit, just listen to me. Afrin Malika, listen to me. Now, if so, I think I can expect from Amol BM. Amol. Now, tell whether this statement belongs to remainder theorem or factor theorem.
Factor theorem, sir.
Factor theorem.
Factor theorem, but they are given in remainder theorem exercise question. Okay, anyhow, once you go through this step, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Then how do you come to know whether it is a factor?
Sir, if remainder equals
We have to divide 3x cube plus 7x by 3x plus 7.
Very good.
Sir, if
I think
remainder-
Jagnoor was telling that.
yes,
You
sir.
know that if the remainder is 0, then it is a factor.
Yes, sir.
So we have to find out the remainder. If remainder is 0, it is a factor. If remainder is not equal to 0, then it is not a factor. Such a simple statement. So here also, let's go for finding the remainder. Start writing with me.
Remainder is not 0, sir.
Not equal to 0, sir.
Not equal to
Chetan,
0.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Very good. Chetan, then which is the divisor here?
3x cube plus 7x.
No, divisor.
3 plus
7
7.
plus 3x.
7 plus 3.
7 plus 3x. Yeah.
You are going to check whether that is a factor or not. Hence, from this, we have to divide this polynomial. So, take 7 plus 3x
Minus 7 by 3.
and find out its 0. It will be 3x is equal to minus 7
by 3.
Minus 7 by 3, sir. 3.
What tell in between? Just observe and go on writing. Because we are very familiar with the problems like this. So let P of x is equal to 3x cube plus 7x. Then P of minus 7 by 3, that is equal to 3 into minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. Rachit,
Yes, sir.
tell the value. Minus 7 whole cube.
343.
343, sir.
Minus 3.
Minus 343 by 3 cube.
27. 27.
Some student will commit this mistake. Observe here. They'll go for cancelling this 3 and this 3. Should not be done. So you have to apply cube to both the terms. Then you can go for cancellation. This is plus into minus minus. 7 sevens are 49. 49 by 3. Now you may cancel it. 3 ones are 3 nines are. This will be minus 343 by 9 minus 49 by 3.
Not equal to 0.
Let me continue that here. LCM of the denominators is
9.
9.
Multiply LCM with the first term. 9 get cancelled. You get minus 343.
Minus 147.
Very good. Multiply, wait. Multiply LCM with the second term. So 3 3s are. Then 49 3s are. It will be minus 147.
490.
It is equal to
Minus 490 by 9.
Minus 490 by 9.
490 by 9. Is
Not
it
equal to
possible to
0.
cancel further?
No.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No,
Is
sir.
it
No,
equal
sir.
to 0?
No, sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Remainder.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is
Remainder is
R equal to
Remainder.
by remainder theorem.
minus
By remainder theorem.
By remainder theorem.
right here by remainder theorem. But this remainder is not equal to 0. Mention that.
It is not factor of
Therefore, it is a
3x
not
cube
factor
plus.
according to factor theorem. Right. By factor theorem. By factor theorem, 7 plus 3x is not the factor of 3x cube plus 7x. First of all. Ora,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
just one information. Here I am writing that. Just observe the sentence. What I am going to write. This sentence was used by a student when he was asking me, when he was discussing with me regarding her doubt. This is, sir,
Sir, I did not understood.
Sir, I did not understand.
I didn't understand.
I did not understand.
Didn't, sir. Didn't.
1
Didn't
minute.
understand.
Sir, I did not.
One minute.
Understand.
My question is whether this sentence is correct grammatically.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So,
No, sir.
you, some student will go for using this. Sir, I didn't understood. It's not at all correct. Then
I did not understand.
wait,
Understand, sir.
Ananya,
Sir.
Ananya, will you correct it? Will you correct this sentence?
Sir, I did not understand.
Wait.
Did not.
Did not. Jaknur,
I didn't understand.
Yes, sir.
I
Sir,
didn't understand. This is
Under-
correct usage. Understand.
Understand.
Present verb should be used, not past participle. So I did not understand or I didn't understand. This is correct way of using. Followed. Remember this one. And even some will go for using like this. I not understood. Is it correct?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. I am not understood. This is the
Understanding, sir. I am not understanding.
I am not understanding. I am not understanding.
Not understand.
Understanding.
Wait, just observe here. I not understood. This is the sentence used by a student. It is wrong. It can be made as correct by using
Did not.
RS. You may write.
I have not.
I have not understood.
I have not
This is the correct
understood.
usage.
I have not understood.
I have not understood. This is one of the type of sentence, negative sentence. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Even if you come across the tenses, whether it belongs to present, past, or future.
I have not understood.
Whether this
Present.
sentence belongs to
Present.
Present,
past,
present,
or
present.
And
Present perfect. Present
future.
perfect.
Very good. I'm okay, don't tell, just listen. It belongs to present tense. In that, again, we have simple continuous, perfect continuous. Which is that?
Simple.
Simple, perfect.
Present
Not
perfect.
simple present.
simple.
It is
Present perfect.
perfect. This is present perfect.
Perfect.
Simple.
As and when you are go on recalling that. Okay. Anyhow, today we have solved very good number of problems, and they're all important in the examination point of view as well. Please go for practicing at least twice. Okay. So
Sir, please give
and
recorded
Google-
class, sir.
and Google form will be sent in the evening. Without fail, please enter your
Sir, send
last-
Thank you,
yesterday's
sir.
recorded class.
Sir, today's
Send yesterday's recorded
sir.
class.
Today's recorded class, sir.
Today, sir.
Yesterday's.
both will be
Sir,
sent. Nothing to worry.
Today's also, sir.
Both the class recorded videos will be sent. Nothing to worry.
Okay,
It will be
sir.
put in the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.